Myself, Dr. Kishore Dhande, Head of Department of Mechanical Engineering from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pimpri, Pune. I am a part of this international FDP on environmental and sustainability, conducted by Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akodi, Pune, in association with UNESCO and Open Education for Better World. I am going to give small presentation for week 3 and 4 on green manufacturing, role of 3D printers in Industry 4.0 for sustainability. Week 1 video presentations about we are in 21st century today and industrial production is being largely driven by autonomization called as Industry 4.0. For week 2 video presentation about after the first 3 industrial revolutions, the 21st century lead the next industrial revolution, Industry 4.0, introduces what has been called the smart manufacturing process. Video outcomes. After learning through video, students will learn to calculate carbon content footprint, to evaluate effect of CO2 emission on environment and sustainability, the effect of additive manufacturing in Industry 4.0 on environment and sustainability. Following is the list of ISO standards, IEEE standards and industry standards norms applicable to subject content chosen in week 1 and week 2. Here in this table, in one column ISO standards are given and in second standards the purpose of this ISO is explained. Carbon footprint. A carbon footprint is the set of greenhouse gas emission caused by something. It can be calculated for a product, service, person or even country and is used to understand the impact human activity is having on the earth's climate. These steps looks at measuring carbon footprints, personal carbon footprints, national average footprints and the global footprint. Here I am explaining with the help of shrink carbon footprint calculator. Housing footprint. To calculate your housing carbon footprint, you need to work out your personal share of home energy, use, water use and waste disposal. This means collecting figures for your home's annual energy, water and waste use and dividing it by the number of people in your home to get your individual share. Having gathered this information, you then multiply your personal usage by an emission factor to calculate your home footprint. Carbon emission footprint computation. The calculation look like this, which is given in the following for the reference. Check your monthly utility bills by using these calculations. Here the formulas are given to calculate this monthly utility bill. Now here I explain role of additive manufacturing using 3D printers in Industry 4.0 to minimize carbon footprint in green manufacturing. Industry 4.0 and 3D printers are vital part of Industry 4.0. 3D printing technology today is at a stage where companies are starting to realize significant, tangible, new value for themselves and their customers using them. Additive manufacturing and its uses. Additive manufacturing refers to a process by which digital 3D design data is used to build up a component in layers by depositing material. The term 3D printing is increasingly used as a synonym for additive manufacturing. However, the word is more accurate in that it describes a professional production technique which is clearly distinguished from conventional method of material removal. Instead of milling a workpiece from solid block, 3D printing has been recognized as an efficient and sustainable technology in the field of advanced manufacturing. In the past few years, considerable research, including basic theoretical research, technology, innovation, and industry's application, have been conducted to promote 3D printing for a better performance in manufacturing. This 3D printing benefits and value is one of the important, sustainable, and environmentally friendly. 3D printing is also emerging as an energy efficient technology that can provide environmental efficiencies in terms of both the manufacturing process itself, utilizing up to 90% of standard material and therefore creating less waste, but also throughout additively manufactured products operating life by way of lighter and stronger design that impose a reduced carbon footprint compared with traditionally manufactured products. Sustainable manufacturing. 3D printing is gaining popularity due to its ability to enable rapid prototyping, reduce production cost, increase supply chain efficiency, and manufacture unique items. It also has the potential to be a more sustainable method of manufacturing. Reduce shipping needs of minimize CO2 emission, reduce waste, sustainable material options, and reduce energy use. Reduce shipping needs. With mass manufacturing, material parts and final products are often shipped long distance, creating significant level of carbon emissions. With 3D printing, however, we can manufacture goods closer to the end user. Retailer can produce items in store, manufacturer can make replacement parts of machinery on site, and consumers can even print items directly in their homes. This dramatically reduces the distances goods must be shipped. Reduce waste. Another major benefit of 3D printing is its ability to help companies to reduce their waste. In CNC manufacturing, up to 70 to 92% of material used to fabricate parts can end up as scrap. With additive manufacturing, rather than cut away parts of larger piece of material, we create the product by laying down material layer by layer. This means there is no scrap and no waste. Reducing the amount of resource use has a positive environmental impact and also helps reduce cost. Sustainable material options. Manufacturers that use 3D printers can choose among various sustainable, recyclable, and environmentally friendly solutions, particularly with the involving. While plastic is a common material for 3D printing, some researchers are developing printing methods using natural materials, primarily water, base, or cellulose. Two of the most common materials used for printing plastic items are ABS and PLA. PLA is made from plants, most often corn. Reduce energy use. Although exactly how 3D printing adoption on a large scale without impact energy use is still uncertain. Some studies suggested that it may reduce energy consumption over the life cycle of a product. Important role in this digital transformation of industry. The additive manufacturing sector is still young, but it has a lot of potential to help manufacturing becomes more sustainable. Companies and consumers must make a consequential effort to make sustainability a priority in matters related to 3D printing. The sustainability evaluation for new coming technology is necessary and it will help to provide improvement opportunities for the new product designer. To realize the sustainable manufacturing is the goal in current industries, it's unclear exactly how far we could go with 3D printing or if it will finally be marked as purely sustainable, but certainly it is worth study area now and in the future. Thank you.